What's up, traders? It's your boy Vincent, aka Vin Boss. And if you are trading Monday without a plan, you're going to get trapped. I'm already positioned mentally for GBPUSD, USDJPY, and conditional move on gold. Let me show you exactly where traders will get something wrong in the market. Firstly, this is the pound, this is the US dollar, Japanese yen, and this is the gold. I am only looking on 5 minutes time frame, so let's get into this. GBP is setting up for a trap, and most traders are about to buy into this weakness that is coming in. Firstly, remember traders that this is the opening on Friday and this is the close, which sort of gives us a day like this, a pin bar, which means we are going to look for selling opportunities, but not right away. What rather happen is we would rather test these levels right here, which is 1.3591. Look for bearish patterns and formations, and by that I mean if the market is going higher, look for this, and then this is where you will sell, and then a continuation to the downside. Without this confirmation, you cannot enter the sell. Remember traders that never sell the first drop, sell the failed retest, which is to retest this. If it fails and it starts making new lows, then you start getting in. So with that being said, beautiful traders, this is the US dollar and the pound. Now with the pound and the dollar, you have to remember one thing. If you want my exact pound and dollar sell entry confirmation, it will be in Telegram. Free group gets direction, VIP gets the execution. So this is the overall direction on the pound and the dollar, and I'm expecting to see patterns go to the downside. I am not looking for any buying opportunities. And with that being said, traders, let's just go to the second currency pair, which is the US dollar and the Japanese yen. The US dollar and the Japanese yen, simply what we did have is with the US dollar and the Japanese yen, it's tricky, it's weak versus weak, but there are still some money right there to be made on the table. Remember, on Thursday we did see this move to the downside, took out, we were biased to the upside, but we didn't take any buys because their strategy didn't allow us to take any buys. So instead we got invalidated and we found selling opportunities that are perfect here, made 1:10, and let the market run to the downside. Then afterwards nothing happened. Even on Friday there was no perfect confirmation that the market will go to the downside. So with that being said, if the market doesn't make perfect opportunities, we stay out. This is exactly what happened on the US dollar and the Japanese yen. So if price starts making higher highs, I mean higher than this low, right, this high right here, this is where we will start to see movement to the upside and the buyers should be forming. Remember, if this is what we are going to see, a break to the upside, we would like to see a pullback, look for another buying opportunities here. This is when we will enter and confirm to the upside that we are buying this US dollar and the Japanese yen. Both currencies, when both currencies are weak, trade structure and not the bias. And I'll only take US dollar Japanese yen buy confirmation only with buy confirmation. I will only buy this with confirmation, and I'll post the exact entries in Telegram. If you are tired of guessing, you know where to be. Now last but not least, this is where it gets confusing for most traders. This is gold, and with gold it was a fantastic buy on Friday because our strategy didn't allow us to come in here and buy because there was no change of structure. As soon as the structure came in, we didn't trust that this was a good buying opportunity, so we waited for another break to the upside, and then after this candle we went in and the market was good to the upside. We made 1:20 with this gold signal. Right now, what I want to point out to you traders is that gold is mixed, and if not, we continue respecting this bullish structure, then we might continue to the upside. But what I would like to see, as you can see, I'm already prepared here. If I see this price breaks to the upside, I would like to see it come back here and retest so that I can look for buying opportunities to the upside. Always wait for confirmation. Now, being early in the market, getting entries like this one, it costs because it is expensive, but being on the right time gives you money. So please don't try to be entry. It is too expensive for traders on our channel to even try to trade like that. So if there's no confirmation, there is no trade. That's how you protect your account. And last but not least, the gold setup will only be shared when structure is clear. VIP gets confirmation in real time, not after the move. Now, Monday is not about being first, it's about being right. Most traders will rush and we wait. If you understand structure and if you want structured trades, exact entries, and real execution, join Telegram. The link is in the description. So thank you traders for watching this video. Make sure you like, you subscribe, and you don't miss us on Telegram tomorrow on Monday.